I did run into a problem on my V1000. This track's loose, like no tension loose. And what I figured out what happened is the tensioner, it's a grease tensioner, but there's a bolt that has a grease fitting in it. That bolt got stripped out. So I let Dean from Derette know, and he sent me a new one. So we aren't sure if it's actually the bolt, which looks like this. It's got a grease fitting on the end, and this screws in. Grease comes out the end, this screws in, and that's what holds your tension. Mine's stripped. The threads are boogered up on it. So it's not holding tension, the grease is coming out. So it could be this, or it could be the part this screws into, which I have that right here. So this little part goes into this. So this is right here. So when you apply the grease, it comes out here and it pushes on that, and that's where you get your tension from. So I sure hope I don't have to replace this, which this screws into, because that would stink. I hope it's just this. So I'm going to swap that out real quick. I don't even need a ratchet, it's so loose. Let me get this wiped off. See the threads off mine? See what the threads are supposed to look like? Yeah, it's totally boogered up. I'm gonna swap the washer over and hope this does the trick. Just gonna snug it up a little bit. Yes, yes. I think that did it. That's snugged up. The other one wouldn't snug up in there. I'm gonna change it out so it matches the other side with a needle. Or maybe I'll change the other side with a Zerk. So I've been using this grease gun for a few months. This company sent it to me and they wanted me to try it out. It's from a company called CC. And I've been testing it out because I didn't know if I wanted to review it. And I like it. This thing's awesome. So it comes with a little needle tip. It comes with a normal little Zerk fitting. And because I just put that on, I'm going to need to change that out. It comes with a few other little attachments and fittings, but nothing we need for this. But yeah, this thing is a battery operated grease gun. It's got a little shoulder strap on it and comes with a light, which is kind of cool and handy. But yeah, I just take this thing and I throw it over my shoulder and I can just walk around. I can pump my grease like that. It's pretty convenient. I've never had a battery operated one before. Before this, I use this thing off of Amazon, and battery's so much better. It also comes with a charger and an extra battery. I have gone through 2 tubes of grease in this and have yet to drain the battery and haven't even charged it yet. So I don't know how long it lasts, but it seems to be a long time. So I'm going to swap out the tip with this one. Okay. Now let me show you how this works. So do your grease, take your fitting, stick it down in there, release the clamp. Looks like I got it tensioned up now. Yes. Yes. We're going to try it out real quick. Back in action. So yeah, got that fixed. That was quick and easy. It's a grease gun. If you don't have a battery powered grease gun, I'd highly recommend you get one. Now this one, this is the only one I've ever used. It's CC and it works great. I have no problems with it. I have no complaints about it. I've got a link in the description. If you want to purchase it, feel free to. If you don't want to purchase it, that's fine too. If you do want to click the link to Amazon in the description, I'm an Amazon associate and I do get a percentage back. I think it's like 4% on everything you buy on Amazon after you click on one of my links. It doesn't even have to be that grease gun, but you click the link, you buy anything, I get a percentage of it. So it'll help the channel. So there's a real quick down and dirty, easy fix. I think that's the only fix I've had to do to this so far. I have had to clean it. And I've had to drive it, and I had to replace that one part that I stripped out. And I'm sitting at 6.9 hours. So I've got about 7 hours on this thing. And yeah, win.